Many gardeners are disappointed by weak plants and poor harvests, often a sign of lifeless soil. Chemical fertilizers offer a quick fix, but don't restore the soil's living ecosystem. Healthy soil is alive, supporting plants year after year. The true solution is to revive the soil's living community. When we bring life back to the soil, gardens thrive, and the crisis beneath our feet is reversed. Beneath the surface, microbes and earthworms are the true heroes of healthy soil. Microbes break down organic matter, releasing nutrients plants need. Earthworms tunnel through the soil, improving aeration and water flow. Their castings are rich in nutrients and beneficial microbes. Together, they create a virtuous cycle. Microbes feed worms, worms spread microbes. In nature, this system runs smoothly, but in many gardens, removing debris starves these organisms. Without food, their populations crash and soil structure collapses. The result? Poor plant growth and lifeless soil. To restore fertility, we must feed and protect this underground community. Healthy soil starts with supporting its smallest inhabitants. To revive soil life, we need a simple, fast-acting food source: rice. Rice provides carbohydrates that fuel a rapid microbial bloom. When added to soil, microbes multiply quickly, breaking down minerals and unlocking nutrients. This attracts earthworms, who follow the feast and further enrich the soil. Rice acts as both food for microbes and bait for worms. Unlike compost, which takes months, rice delivers results in days. It's an emergency ration for starving soil, jump-starting the ecosystem. This method is perfect for gardeners needing quick improvement. With rice, you can transform poor soil into a thriving habitat almost overnight. It's a simple trick with powerful results. The fastest way to deliver rice's benefits is with rice water. Wash 1 cup of white rice in 4 cups of clean water, stirring until the water turns milky. Strain out the rice, save it for cooking, and keep the starchy water. For extra potency, let the rice water ferment for 3 to 5 days until it smells slightly sour. Dilute the rice water, 1 part rice water to 5 parts water. Apply to the soil around your plants in the early morning or evening. This instantly feeds microbes and encourages earthworm activity. For a slow release effect, sprinkle raw rice grains on the soil and cover with mulch or compost. Both methods provide a powerful boost to soil life. No special equipment needed, just rice, water, and a little patience. This simple act can transform your garden's health. Feed the soil, and the soil will feed your plants. After applying rice water, changes appear within days. You'll notice more earthworms near the surface, proof the soil food web is reawakening. The soil becomes darker, richer, and more crumbly, signs of good tilth. Microbes bind soil particles while worms tunnel and mix, improving structure. To boost these effects, add a layer of mulch, wood chips, straw, or leaves. Mulch keeps soil moist and cool, protecting and feeding soil life. As it breaks down, it provides ongoing food for microbes and worms. For very poor soil, bury small amounts of raw rice under mulch or compost. This slow-release method is great for new beds or large areas. With these steps, you'll see a vibrant living soil ecosystem return. The rice trick reduces or eliminates the need for synthetic fertilizers. Living soil becomes self-fertilizing, with microbes and worms providing steady, balanced nutrition. This is especially valuable in containers and raised beds, where soil life can quickly decline. Regular rice water applications keep even small spaces thriving. Avoid overusing rice or rice water. Small, frequent doses work best. Always apply to moist soil and cover with mulch for best results. This method is more than a quick fix. It's a new way of gardening. By feeding the soil, we build long-term health and resilience. We follow nature's blueprint, recycling organic matter for lasting fertility. Work with the soil as a living partner, and your garden will flourish. Cultivate life below ground, and you'll reap abundance above.